Good morning. It is Cooking Friday, and we're going to do something super fun today. I'm not even going to tell you what it is till after we read our story. We're going to read a story called Dragons Love Tacos by Adam Rubin and illustrated by Daniel Salmaris. Hope I didn't butcher that too bad. Hey kid! Did you know that dragons love tacos? They love beef tacos and chicken tacos. They love really big, gigantic tacos and tiny little baby tacos as well. Why do dragons love tacos? Maybe it's the smell from the sizzling pan. Maybe it's the crunch of the crispy tortillas. Maybe it's a secret. Either way, if you want to make friends with dragons, tacos are key. Hey dragon, do you guys love tacos or it says, hey dragon, why do you love tacos so much? But wait, as much as dragons love tacos, they hate spicy salsa even more. They hate spicy green salsa and spicy red salsa. They hate spicy chunky salsa and spicy smooth salsa. If the salsa is spicy at all, dragons can't stand it. Why do dragons hate spicy salsa? Well, just one drop of hot sauce makes a dragon's ears smoke. Just one single speck of hot pepper makes a dragon snort sparks. Spicy salsa gives dragons the tummy troubles. And when dragons get the tummy troubles, oh boy. If you want to make tacos for dragons, keep the toppings mild. Tomatoes, lettuce, cheese. These are all good toppings for tacos for dragons. Hey dragon, how do you feel about spicy taco toppings? Dragons love parties. They like costume parties and pool parties. They like big gigantic parties with accordions and tiny little parties with charades. Why do dragons love parties? Maybe it's the conversation. Maybe it's the dancing. Maybe it's the comforting sound of good friends' laughter. The only thing dragons love more than parties are tacos. Taco parties are parties with lots of tacos. If you want to have some dragons over for taco party, you'll need buckets of tacos, pantloads of tacos. The best way to judge is to get a boat and fill the boat with tacos. That's about how many tacos dragons need for a taco party. After all, dragons love tacos. Hey dragon, are you excited for the big taco party? I think he is. He is marking it on his calendar so he does not forget. Just remember, dragons hate spicy salsa. Before you host your taco party with dragons, get rid of all the spicy salsa. In fact, bury the spicy salsa in the backyard so the dragons cannot find it. That is a lot of tacos. These dragons love your taco party. They love the music, they love the decorations, they especially love the tacos. Congratulations. It's a good thing you got rid of all that spicy. Wait a second. What are those little green things in that salsa? You didn't read the fine print. Totally mild salsa. Now with spicy jalapeno peppers. Uh-oh. Dragons, listen to me. Do not eat those tacos. Those little green specks in the salsa. Those are jalapeno peppers. They are super spicy. I know you love tacos, dragons, but you are not going to like those tacos. Do not let those dragons eat those tacos. Crunch, crunch, crunch. They ate the tacos. Too late. Oh, there's the smoke. What comes next? Where are they going to start snorting? Why Samaritans help you rebuild your house. Maybe they're good Samaritans. Maybe they feel bad for wrecking it. Maybe they're just in it for the taco breaks. After all, dragons love tacos. All right. Now for the fun part, I have a plate full of fruit that we're going to make people and animals and things out of. So we're going to play with our food. So before we even eat our food, I'm going to move this out of the way. So I'm going to make a person. So I'm going to use, let's see, we got plenty of things. I'm going to use this banana as my head. So I'm going to put that down. And I'm going to have a toothpick. This is going to be my body. So I have my head first. I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use a lemon as my body. And as my arms, I got some nice thin apple slices. And I can use my blueberries as little hands. I might have to add another lemon to my body. Gotta have some pants. I'm gonna use strawberries for pants. And then I'm going to use these little semicircle bananas as my feet. So I have tons of that. I'm going to add some frosting as my hair on my banana. Actually, I probably need an eyeball too, so why don't we do that? So, that is me. Does it look like me? My body looks pretty strong with those lemons. And then you can eat that one. And then I think I'm going to make an animal next. So before you even eat it, you can put everything back on the plate. Maybe you can eat something while you're playing with that. Alright, I'm going to try making a giraffe. So you're definitely going to need a toothpick for this. So I'm going to have a strawberry as the head. I'm actually going to use 2 toothpicks. And I'm going to have the blueberries as the giraffe ears. And then I'm going to have, so we have the long neck. Whoop! See, that sometimes is going to happen. Put those blueberries back. I'm going to put my giraffe down because that's my long body. Now I'm going to use this half of an apple as the body. Put it like that. I'm going to use these bananas as feet. Actually, that didn't work, so we're going to try, we'll use more blueberries. You might need to grab another, I'm going to break this toothpick, stick it on the other side. And it can also be a little tail. Whoop! He just keeps falling out. Okay, but if that didn't happen, I have myself a cute little giraffe who lost his foot. So we're going to put that back on, and there you go. We have a little giraffe. You can make food, and you can turn it into animals. And then, after, you can eat it. absolutely anything. So I use frosting. I even had mushrooms, but I didn't use them. So basically it's just fruit. So I hope after you can make a fruit salad and you can turn it into animals or yourself, any of that. But super fun and short cooking